Hey everyone, today we're going to discuss and cover how to manage your submittals within the platform. So once you're on the submittal landing page, what you will notice is up at the top, you will have a header for each of the different columns within the submittal table, listing all of your active submittals for that particular project. So you have your submittal number, title, status, days overdue, date submitted, and due date. What you'll notice is any submittal that is currently overdue will be highlighted red, and it will be applied a tag that it is overdue, designating how many days it is overdue. If you want to edit a particular submittal or enter a response for a submittal, you can hover over that submittal item and select the pencil button on the right-hand side of the screen. Once you're in the submittal, you'll notice a few different things. At the very top is a timeline of the critical dates related to that submittal. When you received the submittal from a subcontractor, when you created it within the system, and when that material or equipment associated with the submittal is required on site. You'll then go down to the responsible personnel and distribution field, where you will see anyone that was designated as an assignee for the submittal will be populated within this table. So if you want to enter a response from that person, you can select the click to enter button, whether they approved, rejected, reviewed, or any other option. Select the checkbox. The response date will automatically populate. You have the option to include any comments and any attachments that they may have included. And what you will see is up at the top, the current response status will be the aggregate of all the different responses from the different assignees on that submittal. If the submittal was rejected or came back as revised and resubmitted, and you need to create a revision for the submittal, you can select the Create Revision button right up at the top here. Going back to the submittals landing page, there are a couple other things you can do with the submittals from this page. If we hover over a submittal, you'll see two other options on the right. One is to delete the submittal, and the other is to download a PDF version of the submittal. One other critical thing you can do from the submittal landing page is download a submittal log, all your active submittals, in case you need to send that to any other project stakeholders external to your company. So if I select the submittal log in the top right, it will automatically download a PDF version of the submittal, where if I open it, I can see a log of all of these submittals I have on that particular project. Thank you, everybody. That's how you manage your submittals within the system.